Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be actually an unboxing. Even though I already know what I got, I just wanted to show you guys what I could get. So I am also subscribed to Stitch Fix. Each month, or however you want to do it, you pay $20 for the styling fee. And that styling fee will go towards the items that you have chosen. So there's going to be one item that I will not be showing you, which is an undergarment. So it's a little embarrassing to show. So I'm going to make sure I put this over here. So I had kind of gone through what I had gotten in my box. Here is what it looks like. I got this cardigan, this big shirt, sweater-like thing, leggings, pair of shoes, and a sports bra. If I do purchase all of it, now Stitch Fix is a somewhat expensive subscription. I rarely, maybe every few months or so, I will make sure to put it in and be like, okay, well, let's see what I can get this month. So my person that had written me my note and said, "Welcome to Fix Day number 7, Patricia. My real name is Patricia, but I do go by Patty. I saw activewear was at the top of your wish list this time around and kicked off with Under Armour leggings in black, a pair with the New Balance performance bra, the Tom sneaker has a great cushion and natural gray color. How can you go wrong with shoes that donate another pair to those in need?" Oh, that's awesome. So the shoes that I had that was chosen for me, I guess another pair will be donated. To cover your cardigan request, the Love Ellie cardigan has a great coral, red, and pink palette in a lightweight fabric. This is a great piece to pair with leggings for an athleisure style, or pair with a favorite tee and denim for the casual style. Are you hoping to find some activewear tees or tanks? I can keep an eye out for those that match your needs. I hope you find a new favorite piece. So yeah. All right, let's show you guys the shoes first. I've been ooh, these look nice. I'll have to definitely try these out, or try them on. But here are the shoes. Has some nice grippies. So I'll definitely try them on. Every time whenever I do get shoes, I end up returning them just because, or sending them back just because they don't, either A, they don't feel right, or they just yeah. And this is what it comes with. All right. So here are all the items that I had gotten. So let me start off with the bottom part. Oh, these are cute. And okay, so it has a flap thing, and you little pockets. I'll have to definitely try these out. These look cute, nice and lightweight, and it has a little add of flair. Just did this. So I'm excited to try these on. They're super cute. Make making sure that there's no holes in them. No. So, where's my card? Okay, so, so the shoes is, let's see, I just shown you guys the shoes. They're Toms, 8.5s in gray, $75. I probably will not keep them just because I never pay $75 for a pair of shoes, for one, and for two, I don't know. So here is the Under Armour pants, and they're $65. That's not that bad for like a name brand like that. So, all right, on to the next item. The sports bra looks nice. I don't think I've ever paid $46 on a sports bra either, but I mean, it's whatever. But it looks nice and comfy, stretchy. I'll have to try this out too. I'm excited. Usually I've been getting like clothes that are like nice, so, and yeah, I don't know. Maybe this is, next time I'll just do that. So here is the blue top that I got. This is super cute. I like this. Oh. Okay, let's see how this goes. So it's, obviously should not be wearing another t-shirt underneath, but it looks good. I like it. I like it a lot. So that is $38 for this. That's really cute. I like that. And it'll go with the leggings as well. All right. And the last thing is a cardigan. I didn't think there was going to be holes in them. But, you know, it's whatever. I'm not gonna, oh wow, this is actually rather, it's nice. And I thought it was going to be like really form-fitting. It's actually really not. So here's the top. It has pockets. I'm like all jumbled up. So the cardigan is $44. I like the color. I don't think I would ever choose the color like this before. But this is not bad. It's like been rainy all morning. So tell me in the comments if you guys like this video. I obviously am what is it, like I don't do this very often, so I'm just, you know, kind of, yeah, I don't know. But if you guys have any questions about any of the items that I just shown you, or any questions about Stitch Fix, my next time that I'll probably end up doing Stitch Fix is probably in the next couple or few months or so. Or I just might might do it next month as well. I have no idea. I'm gonna try to limit on the makeup. I'll do makeup videos. I just am going to limit on the makeup buying, if that counts for anything. The only makeup buying I'll have are my subscription boxes that I'll be getting in the mail. But let me know if you guys have any thoughts of the items that I just shown you today. I hope you guys like it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the cardigan, but it is super cute though. I definitely like the blue top, the sports bra, and the pants. The sneakers I'm not too sure about, but we'll see how everything turns out. I will talk to you guys after a bit. My next video will be a makeup video. I have no idea what eyeshadow palette I'm going to do, but like I said, I do have a nice big pile that I do want to do. If I don't finish it all today, then obviously there's tomorrow. I should have just done videos yesterday and Saturday, but I really wasn't in the mood to do anything. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.